All right, thanks, Brenda, for that. Let's talk about your forecast. Cloudy conditions over the course of the day today. We're actually, look at the temperature, already at 80 degrees as we're heading into the afternoon hours. You almost say, didn't we see a cold front yesterday? And yes, we did. We actually had 87 yesterday for a high. Our dew point, though, is still fairly high, coming in at 67 degrees. So we have moisture. Dew point measure moisture at the surface. So we have moisture to work with. We have temperatures that are fairly warm. We do have the winds coming in out of the north at 6 miles an hour and the barometer at 30 and 1700ths of an inch. But still, we do have some instability, at least in place at this point, and we have some big things moving in over the next couple of days. You kind of see where I'm going with this. Some big rain chances are going to be there. Here's those temperatures for you now. Most places still into the mid 70s, 74 in Butler, Newcastle 73, Katanning at 73. It's 74 in Denora and Washington at 78 degrees. So the Pittsburgh area is really kind of an outlier at this point. We'll leave our high temperature right at 80 degrees. Most folks, that's what you're going to see for a high. It looks like the airport, though, could get all the way up to about 83 or 84 for a high. And if we're looking at the high school forecast, which is what I was trying to show there, we're looking at dry conditions. Should be for the night. Might be a little bit on the cool side for some, so you might want to just grab the light jacket just in case. Let's talk about your rain chances over the next few days. Now today, it's relatively small. First part of the day, it's been along I-80 where we've seen some light drizzle developing. By the end of the day, it'll actually be along and south of I-70, and that's where most of the rain on Saturday is going to come in as well. Saturday chance for rain right at 60%. Notice what we've done on Sunday. Yeah, 100% chance for some rain. It's a big one, it looks like at this point. Sunday wrapping up on Monday morning where we have a 70% chance for some rain and moisture. Why are we going to see this? Well, we have a broad area of low pressure coming together, including the remnants of Gordon right on top of Arkansas. We also have another area of low pressure that's sitting on top of northern Missouri into southern Iowa. All of this is going to mix together, merge together, and continue to move to the east. As it does, it's going to be a big rain maker. Doesn't look like it's any, at least like we have any severe weather to worry about. But a lot of rain is going to be possible. You see those reds already? Those are warnings, flash flood warnings, where they've already had so much rain that they have some flooding going on. And you can kind of see the line that was there. It's going to continue into, well, western Pennsylvania. So even though we don't have that watch yet for the flash flood watch just yet, it will likely be issued this afternoon for our area. So what can we expect? Well, a lot of rain, obviously, is going to be expected by Sunday. This is into the morning hours, right at midnight on Sunday. Most of the rain, you can draw a line from Pittsburgh, south of Pittsburgh is what it looks like at this point. That continues to climb, moving in place over the course of the next couple of hours right there. Your game, Pitt versus Penn State, well, we'll put in a rain chance, but we're hopeful that that rain will stay down to the south is what it looks like at this point. There's your forecast. 80 your high today, 70 your Saturday high. If you're asking how much rain can we expect to see, we're calling for 2 to 3 inches widespread, and we could see potentially upwards of 5 inches of rain in a couple of areas. It would be isolated, but that over 18 hours, 24 hours, that's a lot of rain. That's a lot for any community to handle.
All right, everyone needs to be on the lookout then, especially for flash flooding.
Flash flooding and even river flooding if you're in low-lying areas.
All right, thank you, Ron.